How to create custom pages in Beehiiv. In this video, I'll show you how to create custom pages in Beehiiv. So to get started, go ahead and open Beehiiv and then click on website and then click on builder under website. Now make sure that you have set up your website on Beehiiv before you can proceed to this. Click on pages at the left side of your screen, and then under that, go ahead and scroll down and then click on this new page under custom pages. Now in here, you'll be able to find the templates that you can use for creating pages on Beehiiv. So you can find an about template, link in bio template, and a contact template. So simply wait for this to load and then go ahead and select a template that you want to use for your custom page. Now, once you have selected a template, you need to go ahead and click on that template and then click on the set title and URL button at the bottom right. Now, in here, you need to go ahead and create a title and URL for this and then click on this create page button at the bottom right of your screen. Now, once this is done, that will take you into your canvas. So on your canvas, you can actually go ahead and customize this template depending on how you want this template to look like on your page. Now that will allow you to simply personalize this page. So you just need to simply select the areas that you want to modify and then edit it. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and proceed on publishing your page by clicking on the publish button at the top right of your screen. And that is how you can basically create custom pages in Beehiiv. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.